Hey guys, what's going on? This is Paola of PaolaPonceNails.com, your source for soft gel nail education. Today I will be showing you how to repair a small tear on a broken natural nail using dip powder. Now the material that I'll be using today is from Orly, and this is their nail repair kit. It is essentially dip powder. Dip powder is just fine acrylic powder. And the kit is very simple. All it includes is a brush on glue, 4.5 grams of dip powder, or again, fine acrylic powder, and an emery board. The process for repairing a small tear on a nail is rather easy. Now, if you are interested in joining my online program, Master Gel Nails, or are currently a student of it, you know that I teach in there how to repair broken nails using silk wraps. So perhaps you're like, wait a second, why is this different? Well, in the salon, my experience with silk wrap was excellent. It was super strong. It took care of tears on the nail like nothing else really, but there was sometimes where there was the smallest of tears that I could not really wrap silk wrap around, because you need to leave like a little margin, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter margin on the edge, and usually this was like the size of the tear, so I like totally missed it. So I learned this little trick of using a little bit of dip powder. So when I found out that Orly was offering this little repair kit, I thought, amazing, great, I don't have to invest in a full jar of dip powder. I can just buy this little kit and take care of that repair. Now, just to let you know, I bought this product all by my onesie. It is not a sponsored video. It's just a great tip that I want to share with you, especially if you specialize only in gel nails, specifically in soft gel, because using just a little bit of this material on the nail on a small tear, it's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of struggle trying to wrap a full silk wrap perhaps around that nail or that tear. So again, want to make things easier, quick for you. Now I want to let you know that I'll actually be giving this little kit away at the end of this video if you're interested. So prep that nail, give it a manicure, dehydrated with 90% alcohol. Go ahead and apply the thinnest amount, kind of thin but thorough amount of brush on nail glue onto that tear area. For the purpose of this video, I actually was kind of excited about dipping my entire nail in acrylic powder because I've never done this. So I did the entire nail, but you don't have to. You can actually just dip the tear area with the glue. Now, the kit stipulates that you can reapply, so do so if you think your application is too thin. Once you are happy with your application, go ahead and file and e-file if you need to, so that it's nice and flush to the natural nail. And then just proceed to your gel manicure as per usual. Thanks all for watching. If you want the details of the giveaway, there is a link to the giveaway in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. I want to let you know that every Thursday we are live on our Facebook group, the Gel Boss Network. So if you're interested in advanced nail art lessons using Japanese gel only, then head on over to the Gel Boss Network, link in the description box below, and join us. It is free. See you next week. Thank you.